Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change navigational bar buttons, order or layout of these buttons in Samsung Galaxy A55. So, how to change order of these buttons? We need to go to Settings. In Settings, in Display Options, when we scroll down, we have Navigation Bar Options. And in here, first of all, we can change from buttons to gestures if we want to. And in more options, we have two options here. So we can use this one or this one, only two, and we cannot set up custom order, unfortunately. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.